Welcome back, guys. Here with another video. I just wanted to introduce you to a really exciting project that I am starting. So this is going to be a commercial property, and it's going to be a workspace, a studio, and a number of other things. So I'm really excited to be working on this project. I was contacted by a former colleague of mine, and whenever they told me about it, I was just really excited to jump in and participate. So today we're going to do a walkthrough of the space. So I'm gonna head there. It's totally vacant. They just got it, so it's pretty plain. They still have to clean it up and get it how they want it. So not only is it going to be a co-working space, but it's also going to be a studio. It's going to be a business office, and it's going to hold so much more. So I'm really excited about it. This is going to be an epic space, and I can't wait to get there and get my eyes on it and get my creative juices flowing. So I'm really excited to hopefully capture as much as I can when it comes to this design process, so you guys can see the beginning all the way to the end and how we transform this space.
Okay guys, I'm starting off with this floor plan because I really want you to get an idea of how large this space is. The co-working area and photo studio area are just a big open space, as you can see right here. The key with working with spaces like this is breaking them down and dividing the room into separate, smaller spaces. Without doing this, it makes it really hard and you get overwhelmed and you have no idea where to start. So this large space is going to be broken down into 6 separate zones. The zones include a photo studio area, a large conference table area, a living space area for photo shoots and filming, a little console table area, and a mailbox area, as well as a cubicle area. And then this area is going to be several different spaces divided up because it's so huge. Mail area here with lockers and storage countertops for printers and stuff like that. Here is going to be the studio on this side. And then here we're going to have a large tabletop co-working space. So bar level tables with different areas for multiple people sitting. This area is going to be a living room area, so we're gonna decorate that. This area is going to be a entryway area, so this can be a photo op on that wall. Here, so this square here, we're going to have co-working spaces, almost like cubicles for different workers to work. We're gonna try to have at least 5 spaces. It's a very large space. Here are some first draft renderings of the space that kind of displays how everything is going to be broken down into separate zones. Thankfully, the rest of the spaces were actually rooms divided by walls, so that made it a lot easier to tackle. All right, and then we have one of the bathrooms, very plain, not a lot going on here. Okay, this is going to be a beauty room. So we're gonna have like beauty stations over here on this side. And then we are going to try to figure out what is going to happen in this space. So this is going to actually going to be a dressing room if we can figure out a way to divide the room cost efficiently. So that way you can go in through that door and change. And then the rest of this room is a beauty room with vanities and mirrors and all that jazz. Here is one of my first drafts for the rendering as far as design goes. We're going to do an accent wall, have 2 stations, a rug, and then also the room divider. This area is going to be a coffee bar, so we're going to
build a coffee bar here, maybe have some seating, an additional high top bar, maybe against this wall or here.
And here is just another first draft rendering of the space of my design plans, but stay tuned for more details and finalized renderings.
Entering, this is the lobby. So I'm standing right in front of the front door. And so this is what you see. This is going to be the statement wall. And then we're gonna have a receptionist desk here, and then some seating along here. This is going to be the conference room. So we're gonna decorate both walls in there, put a nice big conference table with some accent chairs on either side. There's also gonna be a TV on that wall. Here is going to be, oh, what is gonna be in here? I totally forgot what's gonna be in here. Let me figure that out. So this is going to be a lab slash podcast studio. We have not finalized the plans for this room quite yet, but it is a pretty good sized room. And all the carpet within this front area is going to be taken out and replaced with wood floors. Another bathroom here. Very basic. We'll definitely spruce this bathroom up. I don't know if I got this bathroom, but this has a little bit wider of a vanity, so I like that one better. And then it'd be nice to change out this lighting.
Listen up, guys. I am thinking about starting a fixture space series. If you are interested or think that's a good idea, please let me know below in the comments. And if you are really interested in being featured, go ahead and send me an email of your space and it may be featured on my YouTube channel.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you stick around for the entire process. I'm going to try to film as much as I possibly can, but this is going to be such a great design, so you do not want to miss. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. If you are not already subscribed, please do that. Hit the notification bell so you can be updated once you see a new video comes out. And don't forget to like. So until next time, guys, God bless.